भारतीय सेनार ऑपरेशन सिंदूर बेले माटी कामुड़िथिला पाकिस्तान 5टी युद्ध विमान। बेंगलुरु रे आयोजित 16तम एयर चीफ मार्शल एलएम कात्रे मेमोरियल लेक्चर कार्यक्रम रे जोगदे यह कहते वायुसेना मुख्य। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर पाकिस्तानी सेनार युद्ध विमान को भारतीय माटी रे खसई दिया जायथिबा नै भारतीय सेना पक्षरु कोनोसी उच्च पदाधिकारी प्रथम सरकारी बयान बोली कहुछि। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर रे भारतीय सेना पाक सेनार आउ की क्षयक्षति घटाई से संपर्क में वायुसेना मुख्य तथ्य रखिछन्ति।
Three hangars that we attacked. One was, of course, Sukur, the UAV hangar, the Bolari hangar of AEWNC, and Jacobabad, the F-16 hangar. And we have indication of at least one AEWNC in that AEWC hangar, and a few F-16s which were under maintenance there. Apart from these, the SAGW systems, mostly from, I'm talking about fighter aircraft are from S-400. We have at least 5 fighters confirmed kills and 1 large aircraft, which could be either an ELINT aircraft or an AEWNC aircraft, which was taken out at a distance of about 300 kilometers. This is the actually largest ever recorded surface-to-air kill that we can talk about. And our air defense systems have done a wonderful job. The S-400 system, which we had recently bought, has been a game changer. The range of that system has really kept their aircraft away from their weapons like, those long-range glide bombs that they have. They have not been able to use any one of those because they have not been able to penetrate this system. And during our first night, first 6th, 7th night, also air defense system had ensured that when they did their repost, their fighter aircraft was threatened. That time they had come with some of those long-range weapons which they were able to penetrate into our defenses in Balakot time. If you remember, some of the army, some of the bombs had fallen very close to army area. But this time, since we were ready to use our long-range weapons of surface-to-air guided weapons, they were deterred. I think initially we found the build-up taking place, very massive build-up taking place, but once the first missile was fired from our side from the ground, we suddenly found that that dissipation of that build-up. Also, we have some kills that we have got from our SAGW systems.